If you have captured a photo using the camera app on your Samsung phone, and if the photo contains this watermark, and if you want to remove this watermark from your existing photos, so in this video I will show you how to do that. First of all, just go to the Samsung Gallery app, then select the photo which you have captured. As you can see, this is the watermark which I want to remove. Now after you select the photo, just tap on Edit, then tap on the 4 dots over here. Now if you find an option which is called Eraser, Object Eraser or Magic Eraser, just tap on it, then circle over the watermark to remove it. Now as you can see, we do not have the Object Eraser feature. Now for the second method, just go to your home screen and open the Google Photos app on your Samsung phone. Then select your photo and tap on Edit. From here, just tap on Actions, then select Magic Eraser. After you select Magic Eraser, now just mark over the watermark to remove it. Now just select Erase. And as you can see, we have successfully removed the watermark from our photo. Now just tap on Done to save this photo to your Photos app. Select Save. And as you can see, we have successfully removed the watermark from our photo. Now sometimes the Magic Eraser feature in Google Photos does not work. If this is happening with you, then go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your Samsung phone. Then tap on Open and tap on Continue. Select Allow. Now from here, just select Remove Objects. Select Allow All, then select the photo from which you want to remove your watermark and select Edit. Now from here, just mark over the watermark to remove it. Then tap on Remove. And as you can see, we have successfully removed the watermark from our photo. And after you've done that, then tap on Next, then select Save. And after you do that, you will save the photo to your Photos app. Just like that. And this is how you can remove Samsung watermark from existing photos on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.